paths. But let's take it forward with Akshay Bhagwat as well as Kunal Bothra as to what the charts have been reading. Akshay, hi, afternoon. Let me come to you on the charts. Tell me, does it seem like this move in pharma is going to see a follow-through in the days to come?
Good afternoon. So yes, pharma did show a strong positive gap-up start to the day, but somewhere the gap-up gains have been booked into. So the momentum, although the news factor was supportive, is not still with the pharma pack. So I believe still it may take some short time to build a base before it moves up. So my thinking is maybe 1 or 2% down is where you get some stability in this pack, because right now it is more of a banking which is drawing the limelight. The money flow is chasing the bank. So pharma will have its next round of rally. Yes, definitely positive on pharma, but if you were to buy and hold from a 10 to 15 day perspective, then pharma should generate returns for you.
Lots of voices on tariff. Well, China, I want to look at IT, I want to look at banks, and I want to look at cement. Why China? Because China is where the tariff imposition is high. China is China US biggest trading partner. The trade deficit between China and the US is large. Tariffs have been rolled out on Mexico, on Canada, and now in China, but Chinese market is saying time to move on. I mean, yes, US is important, but it's not the end of the world because China itself is a large economy. That's the message from the market. Banks are moving higher because the Q4 updates, whatever has come out so far. I mean, I remember reading from AU, I remember reading from other banks like IDFC Bank. They've been impressive. So ever since those updates have come out, the stocks have started marching higher. IT is where you would say that it's difficult to say that what happens in the near term, because now there are two levers moving against IT. One, the currency depreciation is definitely getting over. That tailwind is behind us. AI and future business will definitely get impacted with what is happening at the innovation level, B at a business level. And that is the reason why today anything which has got to do with IT services, IT exports, even though tariffs have not been imposed, is down now. Akshay Bhagwat, how much more for IT stocks to fall before they bottom out?
Yeah, absolutely. There is a lot of shorting bets which is prevalent in the futures and options segment as well. And really, if you were to look at the weightage in the IT pack, majority of them still have a negative setup. The results are around the corner, so probably you might have a relief rally kind of a dead cat bounce in some of the IT names. But really, sector per se still, if you were to pick a downside percentage wise, I think still 3 to 5% downside in the index can be anticipated from the current levels.
Good chatting with you, Kunal. We'll let you as well go on that note. Thanks as always for your time. Let's begin winding up.